Thank you for giving us this opportunity to share with you about Xmerse and how we can help to accelerate your business growth with Barter. Let's get started. Get smarter with Barter. Increase your sales, cash flow, and profit. Who is Xmerse? We are a locally owned retail barter exchange. Retail just means we work with small and medium-sized businesses. We were founded in January 2005, and today we represent 400 plus businesses in the Calgary and surrounding areas. Some of the companies represented are companies like the World Health Club, Global Fest, Springbank Links Golf Club, and Mr. Sub and Premier Executive Suites, to name a few. Whatever is out there in the cash world, we seek to bring to the Xmerse community. Our mission is to partner up with a community of diverse member companies, providing you with exceptional service and value, while helping you to increase your sales, market share, and cash flow. At the end of the day, what's important to us is to help you find new customers through our network, and to help you save your cash, whether it's for the business or personally. Barter is an idea from the past, and the birth of the modern barter industry started back in the 60s in California. Many businesses today trade directly. However, there's many problems that exist when trading direct. Both parties have to want what the other has to offer. It can be very time-consuming because you're going to have to find businesses who are willing to trade with you. Limited utility in the sense of available products and services. And last, it's hard to value products and services equally. How do I know what you're giving to me is equal value in return for what I'm giving to you? I'll explain later on how we can eliminate those challenges. The growth of the barter industry can be attributed to a few things. Many business owners aren't aware that the federal government passed a law back in 1982 recognizing barter exchanges as third-party record keepers. We work similar to that of an accountant or bank in terms of tracking trade dollars that gets exchanged between members. Advances in technology have helped grow the barter industry. All members through Xmerse are set up with an online account, very similar to online banking. You can view your statements, post transactions, update your profile, check out who's part of the directory, and order gift certificates. We make the barter process seamless and easy for you. Businesses tend to turn to barter during economic downturns. When things are slow, by leveraging barter into your business, it's still an opportunity for you to reach out to new customers. There are 600 barter companies worldwide, 65 in Canada. Majority of them are in Eastern Canada, and that's the influence of the United States, while it's growing here in Western Canada. Some Fortune 100 companies have actually incorporated barter into their business. For example, Pepsi traded syrup and technology for Russian vodka. It just shows that not only small businesses are bartering, but the larger companies too. The way in which we barter through Xmerse is, you're virtually able to trade with anyone. So multi-directional trading, increased flexibility in terms of who you can trade with, business networking and exposure. As a member of Xmerse, we host monthly networking opportunities for our members, from speed networking events to our fun poker tournaments. Complete record keeping. Anytime you buy or sell, you'll receive an email confirmation of that barter transaction. Last, confidence. Through Xmerse, we use a virtual currency called trade dollars to value products and services. What this means to you as a business is, whatever you would normally charge out there in the cash world is what you would charge in trade dollars through our network. The trade dollars earned or banked can be used to purchase products or services from any one of the 400 plus members that's part of our community. You are not limited to trading directly with the business that's wanting your product or service. Now, you might be wondering, why barter? What's the benefit to my business or for me personally? By leveraging barter into your business, it allows for you to increase your sales, improve profitability. One way in doing this is to lower your overhead expenses. Instead of you spending cash on things like printing, advertising, and accounting, you can now pay for all this on barter. If you are a retailer, barter enables you to move surplus inventory or clearance items. If you are a service-based business, barter enables you to fill your downtime. Barter helps to increase cash flow. expand your customer base, and improve quality of life. With Barter, you don't have to spend on things for just the business, but little things in life. You can enjoy such personal things like restaurants, spa, golf, and travel. One of the great things about Barter for a lot of businesses is the health-related services that's available. If you don't have a health plan, taking care of your health can be just another expense. What if we told you you can now barter for such things like dental, eyewear, massage, acupuncture, physio, or chiropractic services? So, how do we help to increase your sales? We help you to find new customers in a couple of ways. We promote you through our member directory. We have something that's called the Xmers Hoopla, which is an e-newsletter that gets sent out 5 days of the week promoting new members, events, and member promotions. We host regular networking events. We're a big fan of technology, the popularity of social media, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. We can help to promote your business through those social platforms. We have a new app tool called Bizingle, where you can create a short video advertisement and instantaneously share via Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The biggest thing you can take advantage of through Xmers is the trade brokering service. A trade broker is assigned to your account to help you buy and sell through our community. It's in our best interest to work with you to fully understand your business and to help make recommendations on how we can help you make the most out of your membership with us. A great thing about Xmers is word-of-mouth cash referrals. If you work with an Xmers member and they're happy with your product or service, they'll naturally tell their non-bartering friends about you, which will lead to word-of-mouth cash referrals. It's always important at the end of each barter transaction to ask the member if they know of someone that'd be interested in your services. We pretty much act as your external sales force. We broker trades between businesses. You let us know what's on your wish list, and we help to facilitate the trade for you. Or, if we don't have one, we'll do our best to get what you're looking for on Barter. We promote you in our e-newsletter and on social media. We host regular networking events, and you can also take advantage of our social video marketing app, Bizingle. How does it work? Here's a simple example of how bartering through Xmers works as opposed to cash. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to purchase advertising and it cost $1,000. What you would do is simply trade $1,000 worth of your products or services to get the advertising. What happens in the end is you were able to advertise. $1,000 cash is still in your pocket because it naturally didn't cost you $1,000 cash to produce. What it cost you was your own cost of goods or your own cost of time. Every time you use the barter system, you will save yourself cash. To post a barter sale, there's 3 ways to authorize a barter transaction and get credited for the barter sale. First, you can contact us by telephone and we can help to post the barter sale transaction. Second, you can send us an email and we can help to post the barter sale transaction. Last, you can log into your online account and post the barter sale transaction online yourself. Now, what does Canada Revenue Agency think about barter? Your barter income is treated the same as cash. 1 trade dollar is equivalent to 1 Canadian cash dollar. Anything you purchase on barter for your business, you can write off as a business expense. For personal expenses, unfortunately, you can't do anything. Below is a quote from CA Magazine just saying you don't have to separate your revenue and expense accounts because of the fact that Revenue Canada treats it dollar for dollar. The way in which your accountant or bookkeeper will set up your account is, they'll set it up as if it were its own separate business bank account, like a TD Canada Trust or Scotiabank. Let's say at the end of the calendar year, you did $10,000 in barter sales and $100,000 in cash sales. What you do is combine your barter and cash sales, and you'll still have to pay taxes on the total combined amount. So, all in all, what we can do for you is help to market your products and services to our members, promote you in our e-newsletter, host regular networking functions, monthly statements are sent out to you, and last, if you have certain suppliers you'd like to see on board, let us know who, and we can do our very best to see if they'd be interested in joining, but no guarantees that everyone you point us towards will sign up. If you have any specific questions or interested in becoming a member, please feel free to contact us at 403 215-9220 or email clientcare@xmers.com. Thank you for taking the time to listen in on the Xmers presentation. As a bonus material, please make sure you download our free ebook on how you can start accelerating your business growth today with Barter. Call or email us to get your free ebook or download at www.xmers.com.